This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So we will be given a string as an input and the string will be in this format. So it will have a digit and then comma and again a digit. So like this, in this format we will be given a string. So now our task is to convert these digits into an integer. So when we convert all these digits into an integer, the integer that we get would be 1259. So that is what we are printing in our output. So this is our task. Suppose if any of the digit is negative, then our output will also be negative. For example, if we assume the digit 5 to be negative, then our output would be minus 1259. And in case if there is even number of digits which are negative, then our output will become positive. For example, if I assume the 9 is also negative, then minus into minus it will become plus. So our output would become 1259. So if we have odd number of negative digits, then our output will be negative. If we have even number of negative digits, then our output will be positive. So now let us see how we will be defining this function named formIntegerFromDigits. So this is the function named formIntegerFromDigits, and in the arguments we are accepting a character array named str. And here I am also including a header file string.h because we will be making use of the strtok function which comes under this header file. And the return type of this function is long int. So first I am creating a new long integer variable named result and I am setting it to 0 initially. And I am also creating another integer variable named cnt. So we will be using this cnt variable to count the total number of negative digits. So first we are going to split the given input string using the strtok function. So we have to split based upon comma because every digit is separated by a comma. So we will split the string based upon comma and we will convert the digits into an integer. So I am setting character star token is equal to strtok of str comma, the character is comma. So now we have to create a loop and we have to iterate this until the token becomes null, and in every iteration we should be setting token is equal to strtok of null comma comma. So this is how we have to be defining this function in order to get our required output. So in every iteration the tok will be nothing but the digit. So that digit will be present in a string format. So in order to convert it into an integer, we will make use of the attay function. So now we have the digit. So the formula for converting digit into an integer is multiply the digit with 10 and add it with the new integer. So I am multiplying result with 10. So result star 10 plus the digit which is nothing but attay of token. So we are adding it. And here there are also possibilities that the token will be negative. So in order to avoid the negative values, we are just finding the absolute difference between attay of token and 0. So we will always get a positive value. So we are just applying the logic, multiply with 10 and add it with the new digit. So this is how we will be forming a new integer. And also we are counting the number of negative values. So in the next line, using a if condition, I am checking whether the attay of token is negative or not. If it is negative, then we will increment count. So finally, after the execution of this while loop, the digits would have been converted into an integer and the result will be present in this long int named res. But before returning it, we have to check whether we should be returning it as positive or negative. So if the count is odd, then we have to return the negative value because we incremented count only when there was a negative value. So if there are odd number of negative values, then we have to return the negative value, else we have to return the positive. So whenever cnt mod 2 is not equal to 0, we are going to multiply result with -1 and then we will return the res. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.